You know, so often that spark of possibility can feel like a calling.
So many students feel that spark, but the next step can stall because that moment of inspiration doesn't line up with a chance for human-to-human connection.
So we built Una, a purposely designed AI support.
Una has the ability to submit an application on your behalf if you just answer a few questions.
When we built Una, we gave it tons of information about higher education, about Unity, programs, careers, everything that you might be curious about. And we wanted to make sure that any question that you asked Una, it would give you an answer that was clear, free of bias, and in a language that you could understand.
It's designed to extend our bandwidth so that we can have more detailed conversations, spend more time with you when you really need us.
Una is there to answer all of your questions so you can make an informed choice whether getting a career in the environmental sciences and sustainability is right for you.